All right, so Doug and I took off early this morning from our beautiful town of Springfield, Oregon, and we just landed in Boring, Oregon. Believe it or not, there is a Boring, Oregon. That's its title. A few days ago, I got a phone call from a gentleman named Bob, and when we were talking, he says he's got a 71 Dodge Super Bee that he had bought brand new when he was in the service, when he was in the Navy. Still has it today, had some blemishes on it because apparently a barn had fallen in on it. That's okay, it happens. And so we're here to look at the car today and see if it's something we want to buy and bring back to Graveyard Carz and bring back to life. So, are you ready?
Uh-huh.
Let's go check it out. That looks like Super Bee Bob.
Oh, how you doing?
Good, Bob, how are you?
Okay.
Well, you gave us a good day to come up, my friend.
Well, my name's Bob. I had bought the Super Bee when I was in the Navy in 1971. And it's been a good car. I got only 29,000 miles on it. Well, I started driving a truck for a living, and I didn't have time to drive the car. I called up Mark at Graveyard Carz and told him about it. He said, well, I'll come up and look at it. So here we are. How you doing, Mark?
Nice to meet you. This is Cousin Dougie.
Hi, Dougie. Good morning, Bob. How's it going? Going good.
Good.
Yeah, what a beautiful day.
Yeah.
Super Bee Bob,
What
huh?
are you doing hiding out in Boring, Oregon?
Oh, just found this place and moved out of Gresham and came over here.
You were in Gresham before?
Yeah.
It's a neat little town. Pretty small still, though.
Right.
So you bought a 71 Super Bee, brand new when you were in the service.
Right. I was in the Navy.
Oh my gosh.
Bought it over in Italy. And they had it made in Detroit and then shipped down to Indianapolis. Went up, picked it up in Indianapolis.
Oh my gosh, and here it is in Boring, Oregon.
Yeah.
And I see you got an old Ford in front of what looks to be the trunk lid of a Super Bee.
Yeah.
What do you think about having a look?
Okay.
I'm excited. This is awesome, actually.
Yeah.
You don't get that call very often. Hey, I got a 71 Super Bee I brought brand new and I want to sell it.
Yeah.
You just don't, I mean, if you do, they're usually restored cars or something.
Right.
And, you know, I don't do that because I do the restoration.
Right.
So let's go look. What's the easiest way through? This way here?
This way.
Okay, I see a green car in there.
Yeah, it's right back.
And I see an orange pickup. That's yours too.
Uh-huh. Yep.
All right. Wow, look at that. Holy cow. You aren't kidding. That's a pretty original old car. Look at that, Rooster.
Oh, wow.
Look at that. God, how long has it been parked?
Well, since 91 here.
And that's the big damage from the falling timber, huh?
Right.
Oh, boy.
Crossbeam.
You like that pistol grip, Rooster?
I like that.
That looks good.
4-speed, huh?
You think this is original paint on here?
Mm-hmm. Yes, original paint.
Wow. God, if it wasn't for that roof, this thing would probably polish up like new.
Yeah, I would.
Wow, look at that. Look at that 4-speed in there, Doug. Take a look.
Oh, my goodness.
Your
I
favorite
love
thing.
it.
Yep.
I love it.
That's the 71 B-body non-console shift. That's a rare little shifter right there. I don't see a lot of frills. No air conditioning, no power windows.
So I bought this 1971 Super Bee in Naples, Italy, and I got back to ship, and I said, what the hell did I do? But, you know, I enjoyed it. You know, got the girls and stuff back in. Other than that, yeah, I just want somebody to restore it. I just want to take it to the junkyard, you know. But that's the way it is.
Interior's pretty nice, huh?
It's amazing.
Seats are all
29,000
intact.
original miles. Unbelievable. Original trunk mat, spare tire, original jack. Those are the two beauty rings that are missing on the flat side here.
Mm-hmm.
That's the kind of DNA you can't fake. It is what it is. These have been replaced, but that spares an original white wall. I hate to ask this, Bob, but I like the car, and I'd like to probably talk with you about buying it. But can we get it outside so I could see it a little better?
Oh, yeah.
If I put air in the tires, we brought an air tank with us.
Oh, okay. That sounds good.
Look at that. Ooh. Now that's about as pure as I've seen one. Original clips in place that hold all the underhood wiring. Date-coded voltage regulator, original ballast resistor, wiper motor, Pi 10 383 Magnum. Even has the assembly line marking on the driver's side valve cover. And it looks like it has it on the passenger side. Might have had spark plug wires. You do spark plug wires sometime in its life?
Yes.
Yep. Original torsion clamps holding all the heater hoses, radiator hoses in place. I gotta see this thing outside. I gotta see it.
Back in Boring, Oregon, Mark fills up the tires to push the car out in the sunlight and get a better look at what it has to offer.
So right now, Doug and Bob are inside getting the Ford truck ready to move out. First thoughts on the car is it's really clean, original car. I'm really impressed with the fact that it's all original paint, that it's a 4-speed car. I mean, that's a good demographic. It sucks about the roof. If that roof wasn't like that, that car could be made into a driver really easy and be a nice driver, right? 29,000 miles. But with the roof, you have to address it. You can't just bump it out or rough it out or say, oh, I'm gonna jack it up and it'll look okay. You gotta fix the roof. That ought to work. Hate it. Doesn't look like it was ever wrecked.
No.
Never stuffed in anything. I saw a dent on the quarter. It looks like just a glancing blow of somebody.
Right.
Manual steering and manual brakes. That's another $2,000 down. Gosh, it just keeps getting worse by the minute. 13th Naval District. Now I'm gonna get you back up because of your decal and your service to our country. I'm gonna go back up another 1,000.
Okay.
But I'm not done looking yet. Did you have mufflers put on it at some point?
Yes, I think I did.
Yeah. Original owner's manual. Look at that original warranty card. Your social security number was 2. How old are you? Where'd you find this at?
Oh.
Broadcast sheet.
Was
it in this?
Yeah.
See, I've never seen them actually give one in the car. They'll usually have character marks down through here from the springs of the seats. That's beautiful. That's a really clean one. They're so fragile too. Gosh, you gotta be careful with them. So I think that's awesome. That's cool. Well, Bob, I'd like to have the old car.
Okay.
That's the good news. The bad news is I don't think I can give you everything you're asking for.
Whoa.
I know. It's crazy talk. I don't think we're miles apart.
Hope not.
But I think we're
have to find you.
But I also don't want to go back home empty-handed.
Okay.
If you'll let me load it up for $5,000, I'll buy it right now. If you can't let it go for $5,000, I'll help you push it back inside.
How about 6?
You meet me at 55 just because of my big old dumb heart falling out all over the place. Things cost me more money than not. Lord have mercy on a country boy.
They get 10%
You know what I'm saying,
of what
Dougie?
you're selling it for?
What? Well, you could just give it to me and I'll give you 10% of what I sell it for.
Oh.
You go in and fix that roof. You're going to put another roof on is what you're going to do. You're going to end up into both quarter panels. So now when I'm done, even if I tried to be as careful as possible, I'm going to end up painting the roof, both quarter panels, and they'll probably not match the door, so I'd end up blending into the door. So next thing you know, you painted the whole car. No, that's the problem. Look, if it wasn't the roof, then it's a good, original, low-mile car. This car could be cleaned up, get it running, get the brakes all working on it with that original paint, if the roof wasn't like that, and I think you'd get $15,000.
Well, let me go get a hammer.
But with the roof like that, it's got to be addressed. It just
Yeah.
can't be ignored. And as soon as you do, you see how there's no break here?
Right.
You're painting the whole back half of the car. Now it's not an original paint car, so there goes some of its intrinsic value in being an original paint car.
Yeah.
Those are my thoughts on it. But do I think you could take your time, clean it up, try to get it running and put it on eBay and do better? Yes, I do think you could do that. I hope you don't do that, but I
Okay.
think you could do that. What do you say, Bobby? Got a title of this old girl?
Yeah.
Good, I like the sound of that.
We don't even have to get it notarized, do we?
No, not in Oregon.
Right.
Yeah, you can just hand, is it the original title?
Right. Yeah.
Oh, hell, it just went up again, didn't it?
Yeah.
It's the original title. That's paperwork, man.
Yeah.
You have to at least get some more peanuts for that. I got peanuts in there. Okay, you brought the peanuts, but it doesn't matter who brought the peanuts.
Yeah.
Push her in or tow her home. What do you want to do, boss?
Yeah, I like to see it get restored and everything. So I'll take the 55 and a jacket.
I didn't bring one, but I will be happy to send you one.
Okay, send me a jacket.
Now, this is a Moon Eye, so you can't have one like that. I only got one, but you want a Graveyard Carz jacket
Right.
in extra large.
Mm-hmm.
I will do that for you.
Okay.
Okay. Give me a handshaker. Go in there, huh? All right, let's load this mother bear up. What do you think? You want to get the title? I'll go get the cash. You guys start loading this car up. Sound good?
Yeah.
All right.
Sounds good.
Well, I can tell you somebody's going to have a nice car someday. They're going to have to step up and have it restored, but I think that's a
Right.
good one to do. I think that's a good one to do. Burning daylight, Rooster. Burning daylight. Yeah.
Right.
Let's not stop for any mannequins or anything. Hi, Bobby!
Bye-bye.
Hello ghouls, Mark Warman here, the Ice Tray from Graveyard Carz. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it, drop a comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. We have fantastic stuff coming up, and some of it you've never seen before. I gotta go insult people. Hey Alice!